Hello, scrappy friends. I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed holiday season. Today, we're going to do a layout with the November kits, and I used the Pocket Life kit, the embellishment kit, and the snowflake metal die, the winter floral metal die, and I also used the Merry and Bright cut file. So I start with the cut file, and you see I used the word Merry. I didn't use the whole cut file because I had an idea for the second part. I think I just wanted to use puffy stickers or see what other letters I could use instead to make a little contrast in this layout. And I'm just taking my time to get my photo set in this chipboard frame from the chipboard pieces. And I think it was a nice little fit with my husband in the frame. And I have used the winter floral metal die set for every layout, I think. So I'm sorry if it's getting on your nerves, but I really love it. I love being able to build my florals in just the way and position that I like them and get the stems in there just right. So you're going to see me play with the florals throughout this whole layout as I get everything positioned and see where I want my flowers to go. Now, I wanted to show that you can use the stitchable window metal die from November to add journaling. Like if you wanted to put some hidden journaling into the envelope, that would have been perfect. I used the metal die twice already. So I wanted to use a paper from the Pocket Life kit. And I just want to simply put a fold in it and hide my journaling in there. And once I got my photo straight, I selected one of the cut apart cards from the Pocket Life kit, and I get my writing in there, and I have my memories tucked away privately. And I go in and also add a tag that can be cut using the stitchable window die metal set also. So just remember that it's more than one way to skin a cat. It's more than one way to get things on your page. And I'm loving this so far. And so once again, I'm just going in and getting my letters adhered to the page. I decided to use foam dots. I like a little dimension, so I added foam dots to the letters to get them stuck to my page. And as you can see, I don't have them going straight across. I have them kind of wonky on the page just to have a little fun with this layout. I didn't want to take it too seriously, so I just put my letters like that. And once again, I take my time to build up the florals. Once I get this piece adhered, once I get that piece adhered, I just take my time and go in and glue them down. And I also used the circle dots and foam squares on my florals just so it could have the same level of dimension as my cut file letters, the Merry part. I love that the cut file has little hooks or little circles for you to add string or ribbon to your letters. I like that. It gives the idea. It kind of reminds you, or I guess technically it is supposed to be like ornaments for Christmas, for the holiday season. So I took my embroidery floss. I took my embroidery floss and I just took my time and worked it through the letters. Even the letters that didn't have hooks, I just kind of tucked the floss behind. You see, right there I used liquid glue just to get my pieces stuck down to the page, and I worked that embroidery floss all the way down to my photo, and I just go in and tuck that behind the photo. And so later on I'm going to continue with the floss, but we're not quite there yet. So once it comes up, I'll show you. And it was hard to get the floss stuck behind the picture, so I had a little popsicle stick that I would add glue under the picture and use the popsicle stick to get the embroidery floss stuck under the papers or under the cluster. And so I'm still going in. Like I said, I just take my time and work with these florals as I get them as I get things permanently stuck to the page. I can see better how to place them. And that has to be one of my favorite die sets so far since I've been on the Hip Kit Club team. It's just easy to use, and I love flowers, so the fact that I can build them up how I like is really great. So I also go in and add like a few of the smaller flowers across the page just to continue the flower theme. And then I had the idea to use that chipboard ornament under my flowers, and I tried to get more ornaments tucked into the page, but I couldn't. I do like the green one that I had down there coming from the bottom florals, but I ended up taking it away because I am going to use the mitten metal die set, and I'm going to put it in that area under my picture. So I was trying to leave a space clear. Now we also got a set of cardstock stickers in this month's kit. So it's more flowers, and like I said, I love flowers or mistletoe, so I just go in and add more stickers wherever I can fit them at. So here is the die I was talking about that I used, the mitten metal die set, or should I say snowflake mitten metal die set. And I pre-cut the die so I could be ready for this layout. So you see me have them already cut, and I'm just layering them up. It has the little wrist part of the mitten separately. That way you can use different patterns, different colors. So I just did like opposite colors, and the same for the snowflakes. So I'm just getting and working on those, and I use glue to adhere the snowflakes, and I'm going to use foam tape to adhere the mittens. So I wanted to continue like the ornament idea, especially since these are mittens. And I don't know if you were how old you are, but when I was a kid, mittens did come together like with a little string. I don't know if I'm telling my age, but yeah, so I thought about that. I thought the mittens would be really cute, especially with the ornament letters. So I just go in and add that string behind the mittens also, like a continuation from the letters. Now here is where I added the gold puffy stickers for the word Christmas. So that's how I just added a little contrast with the Merry Christmas. And now that I have the gold on the page, I am going in and sprinkling more gold puffy stickers, dots, stars, snowflakes, whatever I can add from those puffy stickers. And now all that's left for me to do is to get embellishments added to my page. I just go in with a few more pieces and see what I need. And just like that, this layout is done. It's such a fun layout. I love the colors, and I like that I used one of the cardstock papers instead of plain white cardstock. I used the polka dot yellow paper from the cardstock kit, and I love this layout. I love all my November layouts using the November kits. I definitely love how everything just comes together so perfectly. I hope you enjoyed following this layout today. Once again, I hope you're having a lovely holiday season. And remember, you can like and subscribe if you like seeing videos from Hit Kit Club. You can click the notification bell to be notified every time we add a new video. And feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions. And there are member benefits of being a Hip Kit Club member, such as $5 off your kit each month, additional 15% off other kits, and free access to the Cutfiles. Thank you so much. I hope you're getting ready for the new year, and I hope you have a lot of creativity and inspiration ready for your new year. Happy holidays.